Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Pearl City, local and long distance movers near me. Searching for an affordable Pearl City mover? Contact 3 Movers. We provide complete and high quality relocation services at extremely low and inexpensive rates. We move our clients' belongings both locally and long distance. Count on us and watch your worries go away. The transfer of products from one state to another exceeding 100 miles is also known as long distance moving. As this implies long distances, it also takes a lot of time. This requires proper planning and a well-managed group to conduct the long distance moving. 3 Movers is here in Pearl City offering long distance moving services to all customers at very affordable rates. Having a good and well-skilled managerial team, we skillfully perform our tasks proficiently, giving our clients our very best. The movement of products from one location to another within the same state or territorial area is known as local moving. This is simple and quick because it includes short distances and takes less time than long distance movement. 3 Movers is offering quality local moving services at very affordable rates. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Pearl City moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.